Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be taking you to a room tour of our DVC Disney Vacation Club Villa over at the Animal Kingdom Lodge Resort. It was 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms. If you saw the Beach Club previous one, we only had 2 bathrooms. Here we had 3 and it was amazing for us. So I want to note that there are 2 different houses here for DVC. There is Jambo House and Kidani Village. We are staying at the Kidani Village, which is the farthest one away, and it is such a long walk to get from your room to the lobby, but I will show you guys a little bit about that. Jambo House is actually the first one to the right. That is where the Boma restaurant is, and I must say that is the best breakfast on property right now. In my opinion, we went and it was amazing, so you definitely have to go check it out. This is the Jambo House, but as you can see, we're gonna keep going because we are in the Kidani Village. So this one has a lobby that's a little bit in the smaller scale compared to Jambo House, but I still think it's adorable and it's beautiful. If you do bring a car in between both of the houses, there is this parking garage that is humongous, and if you do know your hotel room number, you know where to park, so that way you park immediately underneath, and that is honestly a plus because, as I said, to get to your room, which ours was one of the last ones, to the lobby was a solid 10 to 15 minute walk. So that's the only downside of staying here, but you get an amazing view and an amazing room, so I guess you gotta pick your poison. I obviously did not record the 10 to 15 minute walk, but at least you do have a nice view as you're walking to the lobby to get everything. And you can take a bus over to the Jumbo House so that way you can have breakfast, which is what we did, and it was amazing. And this is a little bit of the lobby view, which is, as you can see the giraffes. It's awesome, honestly. So I still love it, even though it's such a nice long walk to the room, but I think it's worth it. And I want to thank you guys so much for joining me yet again on this room tour. We have 2 more coming up later in the next week, so definitely stick around to watch the Bungalows Polynesian as well as the Wilderness Lodge Resort cabins, which both were honestly my favorites. So it can only go up from here. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!